I show you how to make a poultry stuffing including different meats, pork meat and fat, bacon and chicken liver. It is flavored with aromatics, Armagnac and walnut oil. It also contains chestnuts. It is really delicious. To stuff a 3 kg duck, cut into chunks. 200 grams of pork float, 200 grams of pork shoulder. $70 grams of bacon. Mix them with 15 grams of salt. Let them rest while continuing the preparation. Cut 70 grams of bread into pieces. Mix them with 70 grams of milk. Mince 1 onion, one shallot, and 25 grams of parsley. Chop the meat not too finely. Put it in a mixing bowl. Also chop very briefly 100 grams of chicken liver. Knead the bread. Then add the onion and the shallot, the parsley, some ground pepper. Mix all together. Then add 2 eggs, four centiliters of Armagnac, finally add 250 grams of chestnuts and 3 centiliters of walnut oil. The oven is preheated to 180 degrees. Stuff the duck. Close it with wooden sticks. And put it in the baking dish. Salt and brush with olive oil. For the cooking, count 25 minutes per 500 grams of poultry. My duck weighs exactly 3.3 kilograms. It needs 2 hours and 45 minutes. Add 15 minutes for the stuffing, so the total baking time is 3 hours. To have an even cooking, bake a duck on 4 sides. Start the cooking by putting it on a leg for 1/4 of the time, that is 45 minutes. Then on the other leg for 45 minutes. Then the breast below for 45 minutes. And end up with the breast up. Each time you flip the duck, water it. If necessary, cover with aluminum foil to prevent some parts from grilling too much. When you remove the poultry from the oven, leave it under aluminum foil for 15 minutes. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.